Which type of foods are rich in vitamins and minerals? A. Sweet foods. B. Protective foods. C. Junk foods. D. Spicy foods. What do vitamins and minerals to our body? A. Make us sick. B. Cause diseases. C. Decrease immunity. D. Protect from diseases. Which mineral helps the body to build healthy bones and teeth? A. Iron. B. Sodium. C. Calcium. D. Potassium. Which mineral helps the body to form blood? A. Iodine. B. Iron. C. Sodium. D. Potassium. What are rich sources of vitamins and minerals? A. Fruits and vegetables. B. Sweets and chips. C. Fried foods. D. Fast food. Which type of products are rich sources of vitamins and minerals? A. Frozen foods. B. Canned foods. C. Processed foods. D. Animal products. Which mineral is essential for the body to form blood? A. Sodium. B. Potassium. C. Iron. D. Iodine. What do animal products, such as eggs and milk, provide? A. Minerals. B. Vitamins. Only. C. None of above. D. Both vitamins and minerals. What is the importance of vitamin B? A. Good for bones and teeth. B. Promotes immunity. C. Good for eyesight. D. Good for muscles and nerves. What is the importance of vitamin D? A. Promoter immunity. B. Good for muscles and nerves. C. Good for eyesight. D. Good for bones and teeth. What is plaque made up of? A. Toothpaste and water. B. Sugar and salt. C. Food, saliva and germs. D. Water and air. Which nutrient helps in the growth and repair of the body? A. Fats. B. Vitamins. C. Minerals. D. Proteins. Which nutrient is important for keeping the body warm? A. Proteins. B. Vitamins. C. Carbohydrates. D. Fats. Which nutrients provide energy to the body? A. Carbohydrates and proteins. B. Vitamins and minerals. C. Carbohydrates and fats. D. Proteins and fats.